Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in plant care. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fantastic product from Blue Planet Nutrients, the Easy Weed Soluble Seaweed. An 8 ounces soluble kelp supplement that's perfect for all your plants and gardens. If you're looking for a natural, effective way to revitalize your plants and encourage stronger growth, this soluble kelp supplement is the way to go. Kelp has been known for its ability to improve plant health by providing essential nutrients, helping plants become larger, healthier, and more resilient. This product is packed with a concentrated formula that will make up to 880 gallons of solution, giving your plants the nutrients they need without the hassle of buying large quantities of liquid fertilizers. The beauty of this product lies in its versatility. Whether you're growing houseplants, orchids, succulents, vegetables, or even trees and shrubs, this soluble seaweed supplement is designed to work on all types of plants. It can be used as a watering solution, or for even better results, it can be applied as a foliar spray. The best part is, it's easy to mix. Just add the powder to water, and you're all set. This kelp supplement is in a convenient soluble powder form, which means it's compact, lightweight, and easy to store. It's a great option for gardeners with limited space, and it's also cost-effective. With a long shelf life and minimal maintenance required, this product is a must-have for anyone looking to improve the health of their garden. Blue Planet Nutrients is a trusted brand, offering professional-grade garden fertilizers and supplements since 2010. Based in Houston, Texas, they have built a solid reputation for providing high-quality plant care products, and the Easy Weed Soluble Seaweed is no exception. With its high-quality formulation, it's no wonder why so many gardeners choose this product to give their plants the nutrients they need. To sum up, if you want to give your plants the nutrients they deserve, the Easy Weed Soluble Seaweed is a fantastic option. It's simple to use, effective, and versatile, everything you need for a thriving garden. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this kelp supplement is sure to make a difference in the health and growth of your plants. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and happy gardening.